People's Committee on Restoration of Loktak and its associated wetlands, Manipur Pcrlawm, drew the attention of MLAs of Manipur Legislative Assembly to deliberate on decommission of Loktak multipurpose project to safeguard the lakes in the August session, which will be held from July 31st. In a press meet held at Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club, convener of the association, Soibam Tomba, highlighted that Loktak Lake is one of the precious assets of Manipur. The lake is the lifeline for the villagers who had been residing in and around the lake. He also highlighted the roles played by Loktak Lake in promoting the rich culture of Manipur. Citing about the affected lakes including Phumlen, Ikop, Kharung and Khoidum Lake, he claimed that the Loktak multipurpose project has failed to fully function. He further urged the authority concerned to decommission the project at the earliest, stating that the project was launched without a proper assessment on environmental impact.
Project assess hanan bi sem saba horopoduna environmental impact assessment loduna NHPC se saba hogulakpa 1983 da project assess commission tawgibaduna maram orakanda matam adugi tharakanda magi lifespan se 30 years oiba adubu 30 years sidagi hentokna Manipur government ga tanarakanda 5 years amasu extend toramba loinana adugumba mayam asina Loktak part amasung masigi akudri part sing loinana ebulum jawgi sangai asida asobo sei theng pidana Loktak amasung masigi sangai se mangnaba pot am orakpa asina maram orakanda mapunsi lorba dam se masi SKTV tamsu environmental impact assessment jawgidabanina maram orakanda akoi huji July 13 dagi phanguduriba assembly pham asida Manipur government na ware amolorkanda haribu project ase decommission tongnaba center da thabiyu haiduna People's Committee on Restoration Loktak and its associated wetland committee makeidagi bill tawjiban